These are the rechargeable batteries for the Panasonic cordless phone. Let us have a look. These are the cells, rechargeable. This is for camera also, as well as for phone and for toys. See, this is very important. Up to 830 milliampere hours, 1.2 volts and 1.2 volts, minimum 730 milliampere hours. That means the capacity of these batteries must match to the output of this cordless phone. Otherwise, your cordless phone will not work efficiently. This is best for digital camera, MD player, CD player, headphone stereo, compact camera, remote control toy, handheld game and VCD player also. For loading the batteries, open this. When you open, you will find the direction of the cells like this. One is up and one is down. This is the positive. Place it here. And this is the negative. Place it here. Once you place it, it is powered. You have to charge this. As the cells has come from the factory, you have to recharge it initially. That's all. It is very simple. Once it is over, place the cover. And now you can talk in this. You can check the voltage also initially, whether the cells are in good condition. You can check the voltage also with the multimeter, but not required. Why? Because it is proven charge 7 hours. If you charge it, and it will hold, and you can talk as per the specification period. This is a charger, and place it. Now it is under charge. That's all. It is very simple. I hope this video is useful and informative. Thanks for watching. Let us meet again.